Welcome to the principal's office, Jamal, or would you rather I called you J Bizzle? Perhaps Jeezy? McJicky-Jick? Fresh Jizzle?
Jamal will do just fine.
Okay, Jude, I'm just checking that you are comfortable with my flow. Do you check it?
I beg your pardon?
Peace out, Holmes Lice. As this school's new principal, I think it is most important to attain a rapport with all of the pupils who attend this whack joint, so don't nobody be tripping. Do you feel me?
Do I feel what?
My milkshake.
I'm sorry, I don't quite understand you. I don't feel anything, but perhaps a little awkwardness.
My milkshake. That's a hip-hop song, right? I thought you people understood all that lingo. I don't want to be tripping or nothing. I just want you to feel my milkshake.
What do you mean when you say you people? I'm starting to become a little offended by the racial undertones to our discussion.
Oh, don't get me twisted, homie. We all just brothers in the struggle trying to hustle our black asses some dollar in a white man's world. What is life anyway, if not one big paper chase? Do you feel me, chocolate?
Principal, I object to you referring to me as chocolate. I understand that you want to be down with the kids, but doing so by misusing snippets of hip-hop vernacular and gangsta culture will only cause you to be the subject of ridicule and also consigns you to being somewhat racist. I still don't understand why I was called to your office. There are plenty of other issues at hand. Mrs. Johnstone has had a nervous breakdown and has started playing the flute with her vagina in class 34B. The government inspection results came back and reveal that the school is on the brink of being shut down and the pools closed.
Yeah, nigga, I feel that shit. Dope flow, man. Is that a track from your new record? Do you listen to it on your new Sony Walkman cassette player? That's what you kids listen to your cool beats on nowadays, isn't it? Could I buy it on compact disc? When does it drop? I've actually started a rap career myself. Would you like to sample a selection of my delectable rhymes?
Okay, what the fuck?
Yo, it's M-Key Principal in the house. My flow is larger than a mouse, running the streets to make some paper. My mother's dead.
Okay, this is getting weird. I think I am going to leave now.
No, please don't.
Principal, you are making me feel awkward. Please may I be excused to go. My girlfriend is waiting for me outside.
Does she got booty? Is her butt like a bouncy castle that you can bounce up and down on? Do it go boing boing boing? Does she smell like cocoa butter and taste like delicious chocolate?
Okay, first of all, fuck you. Second of all, my girlfriend isn't even black. She is Caucasian and her name is Stacy.
Oh bruh, so you're a race traitor, huh? You should be ashamed of yourself. Everyone knows that white bitches don't be having no ass and no titties. I like big old milky titties to suck on. I like to lather them in butter and make that hoe wobble them for me and pretend that they are a delicious titty sandwich that is for my penis to eat. Yummy.
Okay, the door is locked. I need to leave. Give me the key. If you mention my girlfriend once more, then I will call the police.
Do her clit look like it could be a small penis?
I'm leaving, you old pishopath.
Do you feel it?
Feel what?
My milkshake.
Sir, please stop groping yourself.
No, I'm just a motherfucking pimp. Isn't this what all brothers do? Stroke their meat in front of one another? I'm just straight up pimping. Don't hate a nigga for being part of the struggle.
Okay, you do have a point there. It is true that all black men masturbate to each other when no one else is looking. You are not black and so I will not reciprocate your masturbatory effort. You are white, Principal. You cannot connect with me on the level of race.
Don't be stepping to me like that, boy. I'm stroking my 4-4 right now and ain't got no him dogs about popping you.
Fuck you and your fucking cracker ass. I'm leaving.
I love you.
I love you too. Let me suck your old wrinkly white cock.
Yes, you suck it so good. I'm about to come. I'm fucking coming out. Oh fuck, yes, I just cummed.